Hello, my name is Ash Dean, and I am an attorney at the law firm of Gross & Romanick in Fairfax, Virginia. A large portion of my practice focuses on the collection of judgments through various collection procedures, such as garnishments and levies. I want to speak with you today about an evolving new technique for the collection of judgments, the garnishment of domain names. In the Internet era, it has become extremely common for a plaintiff to obtain a judgment against the defendant whose most valuable asset is its domain name. As any quick internet search will show you, domain names have a value, and they can be bought and sold through brokerage websites and even through online auction sites like eBay. Obviously, different domain names have different values. For example, the website for Gross & Romanick, www.gross.com, would likely have considerable value because it is a common name, has various meanings, is short and simple, and has been in consistent use since 1982. The major impediment to garnishment of domain names is a solitary Virginia Supreme Court case from 2000, which held by a 5-2 majority that a domain name, rather than being an asset, is actually a contract for services and therefore not subject to garnishment. However, there was a dissent from the opinion by the then Chief Justice. He would have held that a domain name is a valuable asset and is subject to garnishment. It is worth noting that a California court noted that it found the dissent's logic far more persuasive. I agree with the California court. Not only was the Virginia Supreme Court case decided in 2000, before the rapid expansion of the Internet, but the party seeking to garnish the domain name never filed a brief, made an appearance, or made any argument in support of the garnishment. The Virginia Supreme Court was left to make its decision after hearing only one side of the argument. I believe that it's worth revisiting the issue with the Virginia Supreme Court. Many years have passed since 2000, the makeup of the Virginia Supreme Court has changed, and domain names are now more readily available for sale. A domain name should be treated like any other asset and subject to seizure and sale for payment of a judgment. If you hold a judgment against some debtor and believe that you may need to garnish or seize the domain name, please contact my office at 703-273-1400.